How to fix blurry photos on Instagram. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to fix this problem. Now I'll show you two methods on how to fix this problem. So the first method is after you open up your Instagram like this, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile, go to this menu at the top right side. After you come to this menu now, scroll to down and tap on this data usage and media quality. Data usage and media quality. After you open this, all you have to do now, tap on this. As you can see now here it says data saver, so turn it off. Turn it off like this now. After you turn it off like this now, tap on this upload at higher quality, turn it on like. After you turn on this upload at higher quality now, whenever you come to upload your video on Instagram or your pictures on Instagram will upload your images with higher quality or your videos with higher quality. So the second step to fix this problem is after you close your phone as can see like this now. So now swipe your phone like this. So go ahead and tap in this. As you can see now, go ahead and turn on your internet connection, turn off your internet connection, and turn on the airplane mode on Instagram on your phone, and wait for like 5 seconds and don't turn it on. So after you turn it on, now you can go ahead and turn on your internet. So now you can go ahead and start uploading your videos on Instagram or your pictures on Instagram with higher quality without getting blurry on your stories or on your pictures or on your Instagram post. That's it on how to fix this problem. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.